What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming out with another video in C Sharp, and today we're going to be talking about abstraction, abstract classes and methods. So data abstraction is the process of hiding certain details and showing only essential information to the user. So the abstract keyword is used for classes and methods. Abstract classes is a restricted class that cannot be used to create objects. To access, you must inherit from another class. Also, abstract methods can only be used in abstract class, and it doesn't have a body. So the body is provided by the derivative class, inherited from another class. And also, you can use just a regular method on this. So I already have my Hello World application ready to go. So let's just go ahead and do an example of that, an abstract class. So let's do over here. Let's create another class. This is my application is called abstraction. Let's do a right click. Let's just add a class really quick, and this is going to be my base class. Okay, we're going to do right here, um, we're going to call it base abstraction class. Okay, let's create that. So I have it right in here. So let's just make it a public abstract. Okay, so right here we're going to declare our methods. So there is three different methods that I wanna do right here. So we're going to say public abstract is going to be void. So we're going to do color. So this is what's going to happen. There's going to be three different methods that we'll be using. Okay, it's going to be color, it's going to be model, and price. So it's going to be for a car application like a Lamborghini or Ferrari. Okay, say public. You know what, let's just do really quick. Let's just to save some time, let's just do Control D and also Control D, and then we just gotta change right here. The method name is going to be model, and right here is going to be price. Okay, so let's save that. So that's what we know. This is our base abstraction class. So that's all what we need: abstract void, color, model, and price. So now let's create a couple more classes. Okay, right here, let's do add, let's do class. So right here we're going to type Lamborghini. I think that's how you spell Lamborghini pan right there. So let's make it public, and then right here we're going to use our base class, which is going to be base um, what do we put? Base abstraction class. Base is just right here. You can tell. Now what is the red is currently red lines that we have. Let's just come over here. Show potentials. Right here is asking for implement abstract classes, which is, as you can tell right here, we got color. So in order to use those abstract methods, we have to override it to do the implementation. Let's just double click, and bang, we have all of that. Override by color, model, and bang. So right here, we're going to do the following. It's going to be a simple application right here. So for the Lamborghini, we're going to say console right line semicolon. Before I forget that, go back, and right here we're going to say green. For the Lamborghini, green is a great color on this car. So let's copy this to save us some time. copy, let's paste it right here, pan, and then just paste it right here also. We have it, and then let's change it. So model, what model do we have? I don't know too much about Lamborghinis. I like Lamborghinis, but not too much. I don't know too much about them. We're going to say Lamborghini Murcielago, maybe the model. Lamborghini Murcielago is the most powerful car. It's the most powerful one. Yeah, let's put it that way. Lamborghini Murcielago is the most powerful one. And then the price right here, we're going to change that. So we're going to say this car, let's get rid of this, keep that. This car has a tag of, I think they're so expensive, like $600,000. Bang, $600,000. Okay, cool. So now we have our Lamborghini class right here. So let's create another one for a Ferrari. Let's do add class. We're going to do Ferrari. Let's add it, pan, and then we're going to do the same thing over here. Let's do public, and then we'll use our base class, base how am I going to say abstraction class is asking to do the same thing. Let's override those methods so we can use it, so we can implement it. I guess that's the correct word, implementation. So, and let's do, yeah, so we're going to do the same thing over here. Let's just copy what we have from the Lamborghini. Let's copy that, and let's go back to our Ferrari, and then let's paste it right there. Oh man, that didn't work. Okay, let's do that right here too, so we can change over here. Okay, so let's do that. So right here we're going to say color, let's just do red. I think they're usually red, right? Most of them. Yeah, let's just do red, like that. Red, capital letters, red. It's a great color for this car. So we're going to do Ferrari. I don't know too much about the model. It's going to be Ferrari. Let's put Ferrari. LP 300X. I don't know if that's a model. It's a great color. No, Ferrari. It's a great, powerful car. It's a great, powerful car. Yeah, pan right that. Now the price. This car has a tag of $450,000, and they're more expensive than the, I don't know, just coming up with random names, numbers. Okay, so now we go to our class, program class, our main class. So right here we're going to use all of that. Okay, so let's create our object. So, but first of all, we're going to do this string. Oh my goodness. Let's just do a string. We're going to say answer, semicolon, and right here we're going to say console right line, semicolon, and we're going to ask the user the following question. You know, enter your preferred car, Lamborghini, preferred car, Lamborghini or Ferrari. Okay, that's it. And right here we're going to say answer, answer equals to console readline. Okay, cool, that's what we need. So right now we are good now. So we're going to do a couple if statements right here. If statement, if answer no equals to null, which that's not what we need. It answer is equals to Lamborghini. We're going to tell it to do the following. Okay, so right here inside this if statement, this is going to we're going to be creating our object. But we're going to put Lambo equals, how to create our new object? We just say new, and then we're going to use Lamborghini right here, so we can use all those methods in there. Let's just end with semicolon, and right here we're going to say Lambo that. So we're going to be color. Oh man, come on, I saw it just right there. Open and close the parentheses, semicolon, and then we just do same Lambo that. Do we say model right there? Yeah, okay, cool. And then we say Lambo that now is price. Cool beans. So that's pretty good. Nice, I like that. Now else if answer equals to Ferrari, right? Ferrari. So we're going to say, let's go to create our object, bar fair. Let's just put fair short. Let's create our new. It's going to be Ferrari. Cool beans is right there, and now it says fair. Same thing as color, and then we just say fair. Yeah, it already knows. C# already knows this. Nice. And price. Okay, cool. So now let's save it and run our application and see that worked. All right, so taking a second. Okay, enter your preferred car, Lamborghini or Ferrari. Let's just say Lamborghini. Lamborghini. Let's enter. Pan. That's what we have. For Lamborghini, we have green is a great color on this car. Lamborghini Murcielago is the most powerful one. This car has a tag of $600,000. Man, let's close that and let's pick the option Ferrari now. So let's enter Ferrari. Enter. Yeah, that's what we did, right? Red is a great color on this car. Ferrari LP300X, whatever the model is a great powerful car. This car has a tag of $450,000. Wow, our program worked. So this is how we use abstract classes and methods inside of our abstract class. I can't pronounce. But anyways, hopefully this video helped you out, guys. Just a little bit basics of abstraction. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and yeah, have a good day. I will talk to you next. Okay, bye.